Alright. We're back here. This is the end. The world, I guess, possibly. 4 minutes left. I think I seen that guy who ran and just started the thing. This nuclear thing. And this is the head nuke. So it's gonna destroy the world. Got 4 minutes left, so yeah, should I do that thing where I just like stop it? Try to see this power button over here? That does not work when I press it. Neither does this start and pause, which is what you press. 3 minutes left. So yeah, I'm already getting goosebumps if the thing is gonna work. But yeah, this could actually be the end of the world. I could stop it, or I could just let it go crazy. See, that's the nuke inside. It's fully done. It's prepared. And if you actually look outside, it's too bright, because there's starting to be fire out there from how hot the nuke is. But if we do shut it down at the last second, it will cool down and not explode. Is that 2 minutes? No, that's still 3 minutes. So we have 2 minutes left, and I'm probably gonna have to do it then. But I don't know. Alright, 2 minutes left. This is not good. It's going to burn up in here. Oh wow. That's hot. Oh my god. Yeah, look, these are the switches for it. That thing's closed, but those are the switches for it. All of it is on. Well, actually, that's also for the power. But, yep, look at that. That's crazy. Alright. We have like 1 minute left here soon. Like any second, it's returning 1 minute. And there we go, just kidding. Alright, alright, here we go. We have like 2 minutes now, 1 minute now, here we go, literally. Alright, I'm getting ready here. Alright. Okay, so here we go. Computer, initiate shutdown sequence. Code 539-826-13598. Confirm. Alright, so it says attempting shutdown behind me. The thing behind me, it says attempting shutdown. So hopefully it says shutdown success soon. Hopefully it doesn't say shutdown failure. Then it would just explode. Hold on, let me just place this somewhere else. There's no other place to put this at. Wait, before I'll put it back. Alright, it's on the rug there. Oh, we just did it! Well, that was fast. Alright, well, guess it worked. It says shutdown success. Alright, bye guys. Woo, we made it! Woo!